What's up, Soul Squad? Welcome back to my kitchen. We're about to get a little bit of tipsy.
My favorite thing to do.
It's warm here in DC, and I was like, Brandon, I want some Mclovin juice. And last week, I think I sent this drink out about 4 times to 4 different people.
Are you tipsy already?
No, I'm about to though. 4 different people via email or Facebook messaging or even on the couch. So, first of all, get your favorite picture. Your favorite Malibu. This is pineapple. Your favorite vodka. I always use Tito's. I like Ciroc, but my brother always used Tito's, so I'm gonna do it his way. Just some regular old ginger ale, some pineapple juice, some Simply raspberry lemonade, your favorite glass, and some ice. Oh, we forgot the strawberries and the pineapples. I gotta get that. Focus. Pineapples and strawberries. I forgot about that, you guys. So, this drink, it could be as strong as you like it or as fruity as you like it. I like mine a little fruity. So, I'm not gonna go in a lot of, I ain't gonna go in a lot of pineapples. So I like to eat pineapples once everything gone. It has absorbed all that liquor and good taste. Eat on some good old drunk fruit. And
You said drunk fruit.
yes. Okay. That's why I put my ice in my glass, because I have my frozen pineapples, my frozen strawberries. Your vodka, as much as you like.
All of that. Oh.
This is a Tuesday.
Man, Small Wednesday. Pull that in.
No, we gotta put this in here. Now, your favorite pineapple. My brother used to use passion fruit, but it's kind of hard to find that one. So he like use whatever Malibu you like, coconut, whatever. A lot of Malibu. See, we gonna get drunk.
I get home from work tomorrow. I'm gonna need me some of this again.
My raspberry lemonade. Yes. Somebody about to get twisted.
Brandon.
And top it off, go in with some ginger ale. Guys, I can't tell you how much, because it's all up to you. These are the ingredients: frozen pineapples, frozen strawberries, your favorite Malibu, pineapple juice, ginger ale. Yes, ginger ale, your favorite vodka. We go with Tito's vodka here. And raspberry lemonade by Simply. And here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. We gotta stir this up. Give me that right there.
What?
My yeah.
They ain't gonna fit in there.
Yes it is.
Yeah.
I need to give me something that you stir drinks up with. And that way, yes, honey. I can see if it's, look, I'm gonna taste this.
Don't put that spoon back in there.
Oh, wow. Oh.
Why you?
Let me see. It's a dab more. Rinse it off. I'm gonna stir it one more time. I'm gonna get it twisted. Because I can taste that Malibu. Yes.
Why you make that face, man?
But that joint is hitting.
Mom, why you make that man?
I just a dab of everything else, y'all. Like I said, because it's all on you. I got the hot thirst,
The what?
the burn of the vodka in the chest. Look at that. And then it's pretty. With the fruit floating around. Compliment any barbecue. Oh, yeah. Compliment any barbecue. Let me see. Oh, that's it. I done wasted on my thing. Okay. I'll go in there with my ice. I like a lot of ice. Ladies, Soul Squad.
Fellas.
Over 21 for this one, baby. Ooh, wait.
Oh my God. Thank you for making my cup for me.
Shh. This is my cup. Guys, this is my Mclovin juice. A good cocktail for any get together, any barbecue, even day that you're chilling on your patio. Let me taste the ice, make it cool. This is wonderful. I don't even know what to say next.
I want me a glass.
You
Wrap the video up.
You gotta get your own because you won't get this one. Guys, like, share, and subscribe. Mclovin juice. This is gonna be the summer cocktail here in my house. We have it all the time for everything. Now you guys can have it. Like, share, subscribe until next video.
She said broccoli.
So, this is my dirty rice. SoulfulT style. Like, share, subscribe, you guys, and